Ever seen a speaker that charges your phone? How about one that starts playing instantly when you set it down? This is 2026's cutting-edge speaker. I've never encountered anything this good. Whether you use it daily or at a party, this is a fantastic choice. And most importantly, it's cheap. I got my mom one, and now she uses it all the time, whether she's doing chores or even in the shower. If you don't have a good speaker yet, you should definitely give this one a try. Today is the last day of the promotion. If you like it, hurry up and grab it.